I quickly wanted to show you how to use the Dynamic Conditions add-on for Elementor. It's a free plugin which you can find in the WordPress repository, which you can access via the admin of your WordPress site. It's called Dynamic Conditions for Elementor. I will show you what you can do with it. So let's go on one of my templates of our latest projects, the directory of household items. As you can see, I have multiple modules where you can see a little eye here, a little blue eye. And these modules leverage the Dynamic Conditions add-on for Elementor. Let's take a very clear example with this section where we show the invention date of the item. If I edit the heading, and if I go to the advanced section, I have my Dynamic Conditions add-on. And I can set a condition and say that this section should be hidden when the condition is met. And I've set the condition as when a specific dynamic tag is empty. And this tag is the ACF field invention. So in my database, in my custom post type fields, I have one field which is called invention, and if the field is empty, if there is no date, we don't want to show this line. Otherwise we would have an invention column and an empty space, which would be ugly on the page. So if there is something, we show a line. If there is nothing, if the field is empty, then we don't display this section. So let me show you an example. So this one, you see there is something on the page because we have something in the database for the electric fan. But for this one, we have nothing there because we don't have anything for the back sealer. Here we see that we have some brands for back sealers. Here we see that we have some brands for electric fans. But you can see here that we have also a condition for both of these fields, and it's the same concept. So the concept is that if we don't have anything in this post term, which is item brands, it's a custom taxonomy. If we don't have anything in this field, then we won't display this subtitle of this section and obviously the list of item brands. There won't be anything right here. So that's the Dynamic Conditions add-on for Elementor, which can help you display or hide the sections of your site depending on a set of parameters that you can configure in the Dynamic Conditions add-on in WordPress.